Alright guys, we are here at Milford Beach in PA, and this place is so beautiful that, you know, every year hundreds and hundreds of people congregate right here to make activities for church, baptism, and different things. As you guys can see down there, we can see a lot of guys enjoying the Delaware River, but it is kind of annoying where we can go and see the bathrooms, and these people messed it up everything, and it's very disgusting. And this video is to make a review of this place. I'm gonna talk to different guys in here. I'm gonna ask it a question. Probably these guys can let you guys know a little bit better how they feel about this park. Let's go and talk to one of the guys in here. For example, we're gonna talk to about this with the pastor of one of the churches, and you guys can hear from them. That way maybe we can create a conscience with the governor of PA. Basically, we coming from New Jersey to enjoy this place. And well, as you guys see, the guys doing different cleaning stuff in here, and let's go and talk. Okay, here we are with one of the youth pastor in our church. And Pastor, can you tell us what is your experience in this place?
Yeah, we've been coming here for a couple of years already. Every year we have our annual baptism, and we love this place. But throughout the years, we've seen it deteriorate really badly. You know, it's gotten to a point where they've closed down the bathrooms that they had here for the men and the women, and they just have them locked. And their solution has been to put porta potties, but unfortunately those porta potties, they're really disgusting. I don't know if they maintain it on a daily basis, but it doesn't seem like they do. It's been an unfortunate situation because the park gets really packed. As you can see, we have a lot of people that come from our church and from other places, that people we don't know, but there's a lot of people here, and there's only a few porta potties available, and they're not even in good condition. So it's a very sad situation. We hope that, you know, the Pennsylvania Recreation Center could do something about this and finally come to a solution. I mean, there's bathrooms there, they're just locked. I don't know for what reason.
There is no excuse, right, Pastor? They give you something?
Excuse. I don't know what's the issue, but hopefully they could get down to a solution.
And how much you guys gotta pay every time you guys come in here?
Every time here we have to pay an entrance fee.
Wow.
Even if you're coming in on foot or in a bike, you have to pay. If you use the parking lot to park your vehicle, you gotta pay. So what are they doing with that? All that money? I don't know, but they're not putting it into the resources here where people need them.
Thank you, Pastor.
No problem.
All right, guys, as you guys can see, basically this is a beautiful place right here in Pennsylvania by the Poconos, and it's beautiful. And like I told you, different activities from families every year. And that right there, you guys can see, is the bathroom. And sorry, it's now unfortunately it's not working. They are using these portable toilets that honestly the condition is deplorable, and it's very shame because, for example, in this one right here, and let me show you right here, in this one, it's not even a hand sanitizer. You guys can see it right there, not a hand sanitizer at all. And this is shame. This is shame. Let's see who else want to talk to us and let us know about the experience they happening in this place and what they think about this situation. All right, guys, we are here with another of the guys right here at the park. And can you tell us your experience with this place and the unfortunate thing with the bathrooms?
Oh, well, this place is outstanding. It's very big. It's very nice. You know, it's a nice place to bring your family. But on the second side, when we think about it, you know, we come here to have a good time, but we have a problem with the servicing the bathrooms. They're not working, and they're not in working order. There's no running water. There's no access. They have portable potties, but they were not clean. So, you know, a lot of people were having complaints about that. So, you know, we bring our family here, and we wish that everything was in order at all times.
Do you guys have kids?
Yeah, we had kids, so we have to wash their hands and stuff like that once they go and they get dirty, and we can't do that. So even when we were out barbecuing and stuff like that, we gotta wash their hands, but there's no running water. So we not want to complain, but I think it should be known to the state or to the authorities, the proper authorities, so that maybe it can be taken care of and people don't have to feel this way.
Let me ask you a question. Do you pay for this place, any entrance or something like that, or is free?
So there is a parking fee. I think it's a $10 registration fee to come in. So besides that, there's no lifeguards online. But everybody's at their own risk. So
wow. Yeah. Okay.
There should be lifeguards. There should be rubber rafts. Blocking the water, having so anybody can swim up and down the river, and there's no oversight.
Wow. Okay. All right, brother. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
All right.
All right, guys. Now we have another lady right here. She's speaking Spanish. I'm gonna put the links down below. I'm gonna translate everything for her, and we're gonna do the same question. What do you think about the conditions of this place? ¿Qué piensa usted de la condición de este lugar?
Bueno, ahora en este momento la condición de este lugar es pésima. Yo hace ya 30 años atrás, yo venía con mi familia, mis niños cuando estaban pequeños.
I'm going to translate right in the moment. She says she's been here for almost 30 years coming to this place, right? 30 años. And since the kids were little children, small kids, and they've been here for a while. They know this place, and now things are changing. Yeah. Okay.
Pero y cuando nosotros veníamos hace 30 años atrás, este parque era maravilloso, los baños bien limpios, organizados, aquí había hasta donde uno traer su cafetera, era algo agradable venir aquí, pero ahora en este momento la verdad que es muy desagradable estar aquí.
She says that and then they used to have even coffee makers to make coffee in here, and everything was real nice. The bathroom very clean. Actually, we got the bathrooms behind us. This is one and the other one is back there. And it used to be very clean, but now things are changing. As you guys can see, there's not even a lifesaver. The bathrooms are completely messed up. And like I show you guys back there is a few bathrooms, the one with no hand sanitizer. And well, that's basically she's saying. Let me ask her this question. Now, what do you think? What is the condition of the bathrooms right now? ¿Cuál es la condición de los baños ahorita?
No, la condición de los baños ahora es deplorable, es baños muy cochinos, muy sucios. Nosotros llegamos bien temprano hoy, como a las 6 de la mañana, y los baños están horribles.
Okay, she said that they came in, usually every year, you guys will see a few churches in here doing baptism, like I told you guys before. She said they got here at 6 o'clock in the morning, and the bathrooms already were really messed up, dirty, and with kids, and it's really messed up. ¿Y qué tuviste que hacer para cuidar la salud de tu familia? What you have to do to keep your family in a health and safe condition?
Pues la verdad que para cuidar la salud de la familia nos gusta este lugar, pero ya nosotros no vamos a poder ni venir más aquí a este lugar porque de verdad que nos da como ya pesar de ver que este lugar era tan bonito y ahora está tirado al abandono.
Yeah, they say probably they're not going to come in no more right here. They're going to start looking for somewhere else because basically it's abandoned by the government. I'm going to ask you this. Do you guys were prepared for this, like with the hand sanitizer or something like that? ¿Ustedes estaban preparados para esto con hand sanitizer para las manos o algo así o no? No. No, they not even were prepared. Okay, muchas gracias. Thank you very much. All right, guys. Well, we're still with our last interview, and we have one of the guys right here at this place. He's one of the members of the church, and he probably is gonna tell us what he thinks about the conditions of this place. For example, I see you got a kid in your head. So you got that's your son, right? And I'm assuming it's very uncomfortable, the situation. Tell me a little bit about it.
Yeah, I mean, right now with the bathrooms, you know, I would expect them to be a little bit more cleaner with the way everything is, especially with the amount of people that we have here. I know that the truck did come and clean it out, but that was already after numerous hours. Other than that, they're good at picking up the garbage and everything. I've seen them coming around picking up the garbage. They are very friendly. When it comes to like this kiosk over here, it's not bad, but it's definitely full of a lot of mosquitoes. Everybody's getting bit and stuff like this. The fields are clean, so they definitely do pick up the fields, clean up. You know, we did have a lot of people playing over here. I wish they would have a better service when it comes to paying for the parking.
Okay.
Like, you know, maybe have somebody here in the morning and they start paying, because a lot of people, they get busy with their activities here. Then by the time when it comes time to pay, the lines are super long, or, you know, they just not able to pay, then they might get a ticket.
Also, it means, in other words, the conditions of this place is getting worse, right? Like a deteriorating.
Yeah, it's definitely deteriorating, because I've been coming here for many years, and you know, as I'm coming here, you could definitely see that the conditions of this place is, you know, getting less and less. In
your own experience, I don't know if you were able to use these portable bathrooms. How was the condition when you did you have enough stuff like hand sanitizer? Or
when I went into the portable bathroom, there was no hand sanitizer, there was no sink that you could even wash your hands.
Wow.
No type of soap, and sadly they weren't cleaned. I went into two different portable bathrooms, and they just weren't clean at all.
Wow. And I'm assuming, well, like so many families I asked already, you're not prepared with a hand sanitizer, right? Probably.
Yeah, if you're well, luckily we have a hand sanitizer. Awesome. But you know, I would expect hand sanitizer stations at all these gazebos. They should definitely have hand sanitizer stations, or even at the stations going down, coming out of the bathroom, especially coming out of that porta potty. Like, if you're not gonna have hand sanitizer in the porta potty, have a hand sanitizer station right outside of it, where, you know, where you're able to clean up after.
All right, I really appreciate your time. And guys, well, that's it for today. We're gonna send this information to everybody out there. Hopefully the government and the governors can do anything about this situation. As you guys can see, it's a lot of families here still, and so far, well, families are still here, like I told you guys, and it's a beautiful place. You know, honestly, we don't know what's going on. This is a beautiful place. We don't have too many places to enjoy with families in a real nice way, you know. And look at this beautiful place, the river and everything, the Delaware River down there. I hope we can create some conscience with the administrators in this place in PA, and they can do anything about it, because the conditions right now are getting worse and the building is deteriorating, like too many guys said. And this is just a few, you know, people is leaving right now because the same thing, they don't have a way to, they don't feel comfortable to go to the bathrooms, and they got kids. And the worst thing is some families are not prepared with a hand sanitizer. Hopefully the government is gonna do something about it, but so far this is our review. Guys, stay tuned. As you guys know, I do reviews in everything. This is my first review now in this park right here in Pennsylvania. Well guys, stay tuned for more reviews, and see you guys later in another part. Bye bye guys.